Would you like to get miniatures or paints from a YouTuber? Keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. I'm feeling really good today. I decided to do a giveaway for my 2,000 subscribers that we're close to. So, in order to do this, what you're going to be doing is follow the following steps, okay? I'm going to show you what you guys have to do. And we have to hit 2,000 subscribers by December 15th. I fell behind. It was supposed to be earlier in this month, but because of recent life situations, things happen and things get pushed back. So take a look at the following things and you'll see what you have to do to enter this contest. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is actually open up your favorite browser, head up to the top bar here, type in www.bootsikfdb.com. And once you're on their website, you're going to want to take a look around, see what you're looking for. And this is what I'm going to be giving you. Whatever you find that has a maximum worth of $40 Canadian. So if you, whatever you see on yours, or $40, doesn't matter if you're in Canada or in the States or wherever, and it's $40. You're going to search it up. So let's take a look. We're going to look for some orcs. All right. And I'm going to take a look here and see. Hopefully I'll find some orcs that are, you know, that price. Here, we'll say this guy here. Let's view this product here. And then what you're going to do, okay, it's approximately that. You're going to go up here, you're going to click on the link, you're going to copy that link, and you're going to go paste it in the comments section of this video. And then on December 15th, I will pick one of you lucky people who has subscribed to the channel as well, and who has pasted their link down there, and we'll see what you've chosen. I will pay for it, and I will pay the shipping, and hopefully get that to you before the holiday season. Again, I want to thank you. This is why I'm doing this, for all the support over the years to get this channel growing. I am looking for my next milestone, which will be 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but that is my goal. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Go find yourself a nice item at bootsikfdb.com. Put it in the comments and you may win that item. We'll see you all in the next one.